cruise time, baby! Today's boarding day, and we're about to get on Celebrity Apex.
A little more to the right, but you got it. There's your up. A little more.
That way.
We going. A little left and up. Yeah, close enough. We're going there.
Here we go. We're about to board Celebrity Apex, which is the second newest ship in Celebrity. It's part of the Edge class. Didn't set sail until 2020 because of the pandemic. This ship has 16 guest decks, holds over 2,900 passengers, and over 1,300 crew members.
Yes, it does.
Here we mother-freaking go. We made it!
Wow, we just boarded in like, I'd say about 2.5 minutes.
Yeah, it was the most efficient boarding I think we've ever had.
I don't even know what I did with the car keys, but I got 8 days to figure it out.
Oh my god. Oh.
A mini. Let's go Knights. Big game today versus
Charge on.
Ooh, my Knights. Hope they're on this boat.
Also, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate it. We just got our embarkation prosecco.
We are here out on the smoker's deck. Not that we smoke, but it's a beautiful view outside Eden. And look right over there. My, how the times have turned.
You're not really pointing at, to the left.
Oh,
left, more.
Woo.
Down, left.
Woo.
Down. You're not moving left.
I don't know.
There you go.
What do you see over there? That's the Hilton we were just
right
at.
there.
We were on the top floor, 2 in from the edge, looking at this. Now we're looking at those people. Get out of my room.
We came to Eden
Oh yeah.
for some Aperol spreads while we explore. Oh my gosh.
Found her.
Life. We made it to our room.
Yes, we did. And my, is she a pretty one?
Yes.
The room's nice too.
We have a infinite veranda balcony room.
Aqua class.
Aqua class.
Which I don't think changes the room much more, except I think it upgraded like bathroom amenities and rainfall shower products, but then access to the spa.
Yes. So, let's take a look.
Check it out. This is the foyer, as I would call it. Got a beautiful bathroom here. Do we show the bathroom now, or should we see the
No, save it, because the bathroom's so incredible.
Right.
But we have this Smithsonian exhibit.
Don't touch it.
Don't touch it.
Alright, so, we can bump this joker down. Oh, it's probably off because the cabin's open. You got your light control, dim it, set the mood. I think this is extra storage, which is fancy, but I also might have just made that up.
No, you have to pull hard. You have to pull. Ooh, that's storage too.
I'm always scared I'm gonna break something, but.
Is this down here too then? Oh, wow. That's a lot of storage. And then there's also all this storage here.
Oh my goodness.
Which you have your celebrity robes, slippers, which we all know we love, your safe, lots more drawers.
And every room comes with a Coors Light. I'm kidding. Just their classy water.
And then your little charger box to keep everything neat. They give you little sanitizers too.
How cool is that? It's clean, right? Plug everything in, close it.
And then all this, way more drawer space down here. So much storage. Ooh, a fridge.
Oh, that's dangerous. Nice celebrity tote.
Yeah, I think for like when you get off at port.
Now, is it ours?
I don't know.
Is this a lease or is this like ours?
I don't know.
I'll find out.
We haven't met our cabin steward yet, so we don't know these things.
He's at the door waiting till we finish the tour.
Oh.
Awkward. Okay. More storage.
Little
like,
cubbies.
A lot of little storage. Like.
Ooh, and there you go. You have outlet charger ports.
My question, is it like Royal where we can store our luggage under the bed?
Absolutely.
I'm gonna say yes. This is what you guys got to work with. There's also extra linens, maybe.
Maybe.
Could be free. Could be ours.
And then this lovely bed and TV.
May I say? All right. So just like we said before in Independence, Ben and David style. I'm not gonna break this.
Oh, it's secure.
I do not think this is.
But it says, "Hello, Jesse and Abby." And now, the moment you've all been waiting for.
The best part, the infinite veranda.
Yeah.
These clothes, I believe.
We're not sure how yet.
Abby's not sure. They just
No.
We're close though. Take my word for it. This though, it's an extension. The room is probably 1/4 to 1/3
Like,
bigger.
look how nice this balcony.
And that's the trade-off, right? So you don't want the balcony vibe. Just put it up.
Now, we were really unsure if we were gonna like this or not because we're used to a regular balcony that feels way more open air. But we also love a large room.
So I'm not gonna lie, I'm not sure yet.
But
To be determined. If there's nothing wrong with it, can't complain. But
it's really cool.
now, granted, you know, am I gonna lose about 4.5 minutes of my life on this cruise sitting here holding this bus? Worth it? Yeah.
And then there's a blind, right?
And I believe when you shut it, now I think the AC will kick back on, which is important. But then I think you can also, excuse me,
move the Aperol spritzes.
pro tip, this, you have to make sure that's all the way up. The last couple seconds, hold it. Once it locks, this switch now works. Oh, as we sometimes say, hello, mommies. Oh, good night, mommies. That's nice.
Oh, that's gonna make it really dark in here.
Pro tip, move your Aperol table out of the way. It's right there. That could get dangerous.
It says on the wall to move your things.
It does.
It also says that the captain can shut these things on his own, so be prepared.
He or she can.
Yeah. Ooh.
Okay, that's pretty private.
Now it weirdly just feels like a huge cabin
That
right
is,
now.
I think, the sell here. So, like, granted, it's a little, you don't have a full balcony experience, but the trade-off now is, look, it's like the
So
size
much
of a
room
suite on
for
a cruise.
party and activities.
So much
And
room for activities. Wow.
we figured out this part too. You just have to put a little elbow grease in it.
That's it.
And then
Oh,
you can close.
that's going to give you the truer balcony feel.
Ooh, it is more balcony out here now.
Think we can lock her out?
Uh-oh. Help!
Bye. I'm heading up to the bar. See ya. Love you.
Oh, wait. There's a handle. There you have it.
Okay. Something tells me we're not going to use those at all, though.
We'll let you know how we like
I
it
just have a
after
feeling.
a few days.
Yeah. Let's go. Oh, towboat's coming for us. That means we're getting close to sail away. Come on.
Take a look at the bathroom. The incredible bathroom. The nicest bathroom I've ever seen on a cruise ship.
Wow.
The only bathroom I ever want to get on a cruise ship.
Wow.
Please, step up.
They even asked nicely. Check this thing out. Looks nice.
Look how fancy. This is the biggest shower. We always have a normal cabin, so we just have normal little
You open it for us.
shower. But this thing is huge. Rainfall, side jets, handle jets.
What's the product over there?
And this is Bigelow Apothecary shampoo, conditioner, body wash. I'm not sure if those are special because of the Aqua class or if those come in all cabins. But I think some of this is different because of Aqua
I
class.
believe so. At least the rainforest shower that I felt.
Yeah. And then there's a toilet.
Wow.
So spacious.
Spacious. Glasses, did you say that? Wow.
Real glass.
This is
JJ
awesome.
loves real glass.
Again, just want to show you this again, fam. This is actually... I'm sorry, what? They give us all lip balm? And lavender peppermint body lotion? Come at me, bro. Whoa. I'm gonna have the juiciest lips when I get off this boat. Oh no, put that down. It's bad luck for the whole cruise if you touch a coral.
Don't do that. Now I jinxed it.
Actually,
Something
great
bad's
luck.
gonna happen.
They're gonna run out of Aperol. Oh no! And what did Abby just find?
I was just looking at all of our paperwork and then I saw this table and I realized that it goes inside.
The room gets big, and this is like
So
what you're
much
all
more
about.
Space and like you're getting ready mirrors. JJ, the boat is sailing away. What are you doing?
I'm getting my game on.
There would be a UCF game during sail away.
I ain't mad at it.
So we're sailing. He has his game and I brought Mr. Santa Ball because it's a winter cruise.
our friends. Hey, friends.
What is it?
Oh, this old thing, which is basically my ship wallet. I don't need much room because that's all I need. And my girl's card. There they go.
Tell them about the bathroom.
Either there's a big issue or there's some really cool stuff going on because it's hot in there. And then we touched the glass and realized, I promise you I could fry an egg on it. It would take some time, but that is.
No, we don't know if that's normal, but
let's
it's
be honest,
hot.
I pray it's normal because it is like
It's hot.
probably 110 degrees.
Nice estimate.
That is like nuts.
Look at you all dressed up.
Oh yeah, I had to wear my cruise shirt.
Going to dinner, first night at Normandie.
And the nights one, do you hear that? The nights just won. Gonna be a good dinner. Slightly crappy internet, but we forgive you, celebrity.
Yeah, it was actually pretty bad. He got the premium package and it's been buffering every like 2 seconds, so.
3.5 hour game, takes 8. But luckily we were on shore, close to shore most of it. But
Yeah.
lesson, you know, heads up to anyone.
Cool. Bake free.
Shrimp cocktail. Beef tenderloin and crotté. Gnocchi. 4 quattro. 4 quattro. 4 cheese. Grilled chicken. Cheers.
So we just got back to the room after dinner, which was really, really good at Normandie. And they did turn down service and the room looks so cute. Look at it, they put our curtain down and set the mood and turned on the bed and they give you little chocolates. It has a cow on it. How cute.
Is that a cruise compass too? Is that? Or
Oh no, I think we're going to Asia tomorrow.
sign me up.
Yes, it's tomorrow's compass.
Love it.
So we're gonna have an early night and go to bed because tomorrow is a sea day.
Bye.
Good night.